Hello guys, welcome back with another video. In this video we will see what is conservation of energy and we will see some sources of energy. So first we will see what is conservation of energy. Energy can not be destroyed, it can be transformed from one kind to another, but the total amount of energy remains constant. This is the definition of conservation of energy. Total energy we can see is equal to potential energy plus kinetic energy, which is equal to constant. Now we will see explanation of this conservation of energy. The kinetic and potential energies are both different forms of same basic quantity, that is mechanical energy. Total mechanical energy of a body is the sum of kinetic energy and potential energy. In our previous discussion of falling body, potential energy may be changed into kinetic energy and vice versa, but the total amount of energy remains constant. This is a special case of law of conservation of energy. This is also known as law of conservation of energy. This is one of the basic laws of physics. We daily observe so many transformations from one form to another. Such forms such as electrical and chemical energy are more easily transferred from one to another, such as heat. Ultimately, all energy transfer results in heating of environment and energy is wasted. For example, potential energy of falling object changes to kinetic energy, but on striking the ground, the kinetic energy changes into heat and sound. It seems it is an energy transfer that some energy has disappeared. The lost energy is often converted into heat. So we will see some sources of information, sources of energy for our information. Solar has an original source of energy as sun. Biomass energy has source of original sun. Fossil fuels has also sun. Wind energy is also due to sun. Waves original source of energy is sun. Hydroelectric power is also sun. Geothermal and tides are different, like moon and earth respectively. So now we will see some energy sources like renewable and non-renewable sources. Renewable sources of energy are those which can be renewed, and non-renewable energy sources are those which were made from biomass and other sources and which cannot be renewed or may be run off. Hydroelectric is a renewable. Wind, tides, geothermal, mass, sunlight, and ethanol, methanol are renewable. And non-renewable sources of energy are coal, natural gas, oil, uranium, oil shale, and tar sands. Now we will see example 4.3. A brick of mass m2 kgs is dropped from a rest position 5 meter from the above the ground. What is the velocity at 3 meter above the ground? We know that from equation 4.19, mgh, change in kinetic energy is equal to change in potential energy. So mgh is equal to mgh into h1 original position minus final position is equal to 1 over 2 final velocity minus initial velocity square. So initial velocity is at 0 because the body is at rest, and final velocity is equal to v. So v is equal to 2 under root 2 g into h1 minus h2. Putting the values of g and h1 minus h2 comes out to be 2. So v is equal to 6.3 meter per second. So that's all from this video. In this next video we will see non-conventional energy sources, energy from tides, energy from waves, and the examples respectively. So that's all from this video. Thank you for watching.